Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove cosmetics and grow a garden to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to remove the cosmetic you have placed in your garden, you're going to use this build feature. You're going to select build and then you're going to select the cosmetic or the furniture that you want to remove. For example, I'm going to remove this letter, this one. Okay, and then we just need to click on remove. Okay, and the letter has been removed from my garden. The next one, I'm going to remove this cosmetic. So just tap on that and then you're going to click on back. Okay, and then I'm going to remove another cosmetic. I'm going to remove this picture frame. So go back to the build and select the cosmetic. Oops, sorry. I'm going to tap on that and then we're going to click on remove. Okay, and back. That's super easy. Just use the build feature and click on the cosmetic that you want to remove and the cosmetic will be removed from your garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove cosmetic from your garden and grow a garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.